Hello, my name is Jason Roth. I'm an attorney with the law firm of Roth Davies in Overland Park, Kansas. In doing this nearly 20 years, one of the things that I recognize is that many people do not understand how their own policy of insurance works, and also how their own policy of insurance can protect them if they are in a wreck. So today I'd like to talk to you about the concepts of uninsured motorist coverage and underinsured motorist coverage. If you have an insurance policy on your vehicle and you look at the declarations page of the policy, it will have listed somewhere, typically it'll say UM/UIM. UM stands for uninsured. That's what kicks in if you are involved in a wreck where the other driver doesn't have insurance. So that's uninsured. Another protection on your own policy is called underinsured. And underinsured coverage, or UIM, that kicks in if you are in a wreck and the driver that caused the wreck happens to be underinsured for the value of your claim. So I want to give a hypothetical because it might be easier to explain that way. In our hypothetical, I want to assume that a wreck occurs and the person that's injured in the wreck is not at fault and has $50,000 in medical bills and $50,000 in lost wages. So that would make their claim worth at least $100,000. So for our purposes, a wreck, the person that's injured is not at fault and the claim is worth $100,000. In the event that the person that's injured is in a wreck caused by an uninsured driver, then your own insurance under your own policy will kick in to provide $100,000 of insurance, if that's what your policy limits are. That's because the claim is worth $100,000, the policy limits are $100,000, and the at-fault driver is uninsured. Another situation where your policy can protect you is if you're in a wreck with an underinsured motorist. And I want to use the same parameters, the same assumptions. You are in a wreck, you're not at fault, you sustain at least $100,000 in damages, and you have $100,000 of underinsured motorist coverage. What happens in that case, if the other driver only has $25,000, that means that he or she does not have enough to cover the value of your claim, therefore making the other driver underinsured. So what happens in that case is the other driver's insurance kicks in their $25,000, and then your own insurance policy will provide up to $75,000 of coverage under the underinsured provision of your policy, making your claim, your recovery, a total of $100,000. If you have any questions regarding your insurance policy, the application of uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, or you have any questions in general regarding a motor vehicle collision or insurance, please don't hesitate to contact me. Jason Roth, 913-451-9500. Thank you.